Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we crochet such a beautiful phone bag. Here is the first part of the tutorial. We use such a bottom. The diameter of it is 9 centimeters with 24 holes, and the hook is 3 centimeters. We will insert hook from the side with 4 feet. Start from any one of the holes. Pull yarn through the hole and make a chain. Into the same hole, make 2 single crochet. That's 1 single crochet. Mark the first stitch with clip. Make the second single crochet into the first hole. Go to the second hole. Hide the tail like that. Make 2 single crochet into this hole. Two single crochet per hole. Repeat like that to the end. That's the last stitch. Mark it with clip 2. From the second round, we use the 4 millimeters hook. We get 48 stitches in total. Slip stitch into the back loop of the first stitch. Here, chain 1. Make a double crochet into the first loop. That's the first stitch of the second round. Mark it. Into the back loop of the second stitch. Make a double crochet. Next, 1 double crochet. just into the back loops. Make double crochet one by one. Repeat to the end. Get 48 double crochet in total. At last, slip into the first stitch. The second round be closed. Next, chain 3. Mark the third chain. Take these 3 chains as the first double crochet. Chain 1 more. Into the first stitch of last round, make a double crochet. Next, chain 1. Next, skip 3 stitches. Make 1 double crochet. Next, chain 1 and make another double crochet into the same stitch. Next, chain 1. That's one set. Next, skip 3 stitches, make 1 double crochet, 1 chain, and another double crochet. Repeat in such a rule. We will get 12 sets in total. Here is the last 3 stitches. Nearly finished the second round. We count from the first set. 12 in total. Now we close the second round. Slip stitch into the third chain. We need to change yarn for next round. Next round, we use green yarn. We crochet leaves now. Start from the middle stitch of these 3 stitches. Pull yarn and make 3 chains. Take it as the first double crochet, mark the third chain. Next, chain 1. Make another double crochet into the same stitch. Chain 1. That's the first set. Go the next space, make the second set. One double crochet. One chain. Another double crochet into the same stitch. Repeat in the same rule. Make another 10 sets. Now, the last set, slip into the third chain. Pull the loop big, and yarn ball goes through it. Hide the tail with needle. Unfinished. Please go to next video for the second part of the tutorial.